Okay, so this is just a really quick video on how to add groups to our page. Okay, so right here, this video, you're going to find suggested groups to the page. Okay, and it's right here, suggested groups for your page. I also, all right, so let's see, free advertising, join, group for MLM and make money online biz ops. So we definitely want to join that one. And of course, we want to join as the page. There we go. Okay, simple rules. Failure to follow these, use only one post per day, nothing inappropriate or disrespectful, no spamming in comments or asking for comments. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, enter your best email. All right, so in this best email, we're going to put support at Level Up. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, Royal Classic Boutiques. No, we don't need that. Let's see all. Self-consciousness, we definitely want to do that because we have the 40-day financial ascension plan. Okay, and it's probably going to pop up for us to join. Okay, run 856, not sure what that is. Cardinal Spellman, high school, no. Inspirational Minds, yes. Okay, how long have you been in business? Over 20 plus years. Okay. What are in what area in your life do you need help most with? Okay. Expanding business, communication, learning more about real estate to learn and share best business practices. Why do you want Inspire a Mind? What are your 2021 goals? We offer. Think our message is also so right now they're not giving us any more. However, you're going to go ahead and go on to finding groups to join. What I'm going to do now is I have to figure out how to find groups, suggested groups on Facebook. If you just go with the suggested groups on Facebook, you're going to get a lot of groups. Unfortunately, let's see, real estate investing on Facebook. See all groups for suggested groups in Facebook. Okay, so now we have some groups here. I'm going to click join group. Now, if you notice, it has switched me back to my personal profile. I'm going to attempt to join this group and see if it allows. Oh, see, I'm going to cancel the request. I want to join the group. Some groups allow pages to join, and here's one of them. So you want to go ahead and join as Level Up Advisors. Now, okay, now it has some questions. Do you want to learn how to invest in real estate? Yes. Do you promise not to market or sell as a member? If you're a realtor, you promise not to spam your listing unless it's an investment deal. That's all we do. We only have investment deals. What do you need help with most? Finding other investors. I know you wouldn't have known to write this, so please take a note because this is what we're doing in those groups, okay? We're an e-learning platform and we're looking for real estate investors. And we're also looking for students, and we're going to be posting our real estate deals like the one I gave you to share. And we're also going to be buying properties. So that's within the real estate community. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and like. Looks like I'm already accepted to the group. Look, and we're liked as Level Up Advisors.